Introducing Godrej's frost-free double-door refrigerator. This product is available in spacious capacities and energy-efficient ratings. Open the door to an ever-fresh and aromatic fragrance as the unit is equipped with an aroma lock deodorizer that prevents bad odor and slows down decay so that food stays fresh for longer. The unit also features a special antibacterial gasket around the door that helps in retaining cooling and also helps keep food fresh for longer. Godrej's double-door refrigerator offers wider bottle shelves and a jumbo vegetable tray that can fit all your vegetables, fruits, and even your favorite soft drinks or chilled water. It comes with toughened glass shelves that can withstand the weight of heavy pots and pans. Available with a 1-year warranty on the product and 10-year warranty on the compressor. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery.